Hi, it's Richard again, this time with a brief demo of the Answer service. You may remember the Answer service is only available in projects that have a data connection. So it's no great surprise that both of the services, both of the actions you can see here are in some way related to the data requirements of the project. I'm using the first one, which is get input data definition. I'm going to make sure that I've included my username and password in the header, and this is the project I used in the previous example, so this project has a connection built onto it. And I'm going to simply fire that off now. I'll make this a little bit bigger. And when I make the request, the response is the OPA abstraction of the data requirements. So we might think of it as Siebel is going to load data, but basically what OPA says is there's a contact table with 3 fields. So the answer service is always going to be using those definitions. So if I look at the other action, which is the get answer requires a structure built like that to be able to make the call. And the response will be based on the data output as well. Switching back to Oracle Policy Modeling, I'm going to open the same project, the one we were just looking at in SOAP UI, and of course I will find in here that this project has input mapping, and we'll find the 3 fields that were mapped. Now, of course, these have been mapped onto Siebel metadata, but ultimately, as far as Oracle Policy Automation is concerned, it's using its abstraction layer, and it just says there's a table with 3 fields in it. So these 3 fields that are mapped will form the basis of the answer service request and response.